Hey guys, so I just got Waka Coffee's Best Value on the Go starter gift set. It has a lot of products inside of it, so without further ado, let's go ahead and start unboxing it. So the box just came in, and I'm super excited to see what's inside. It has a lot of products and everything, so without further ado, let's open this up. So guys, here's the box. I went ahead and cut it open for you guys already. So let's go ahead and start opening it. Has nice hay to keep the things nice and packaged. So, okay. They have the Waka Coffee Instant Decaffeinated package right here. They have, oh, is this a spoon? Okay. Okay, this is like the black bamboo spoon to stir up your coffee. Okay, here we go. The Waka Coffee tumbler. You can tell this is like already made of like really good material. And I love how they include this because Waka Coffee actually donates a part of their portions to clean water initiatives. Just looking inside. Okay, it looks really clean on the inside. I honestly love the material. Of course, another bag of the Waka Coffee Decaffeinated Instant Coffee. Okay, so let's go ahead and make a cup with the new tumbler we have. Okay guys, let's go ahead and make the coffee. There you go, you got your instant coffee.